If like me you bought a phone on the internet which turned out to be locked by Google, I show you how to unlock it in this video. So first of all, you plug the phone into the computer and open a browser using a free software like FRP King Tool. Then in the navigation bar you will note the following website: bit.ly/techtipsfrp, exactly as on the screen, and then you click enter to access the website. From this moment you just have to follow the steps that I will show you on the screen. So as you can see, in the end of the unlocking process, we managed to access the phone. I hope the video was useful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.